Hello students, in this video we will study about the characteristics of synthetic fiber and the plastic. Students, synthetic fibers have unique characteristics which make them popular dress material. Their properties are they dry up quickly as compared to the natural fibers. They are durable, less expensive, readily available and easy to maintain. Means they are wrinkle free, easy to wash. We can dye these synthetic fibers into the different colors. So, we can make a lot of things by these synthetic fibers. They dry up quickly and they absorb less water as compared to the natural fibers. To understand this, let perform an activity. Here what you have to do, you have to take the two pieces of same of cloth, one of the synthetic fiber and one for the natural fiber. So, what you have to do, you have to take same size, means both fibers, for both fibers you have to take same size of cloth. Then you have to soak these fibers into the different containers with the say that are filled with the same amount of water. After soaking, you have to after take out these clothes from the water and spread into the sunlight. After that you have to compare the volume of water remain in each containers. You know students, अगर आपने एक बार इनके अंदर जो सोक किए हैं, अगर आप एक बार इनके अंदर जो पीसेस हैं आप शोक करते हो, जब भी आप उनको निकालोगे आपको वाटर का लेवल कम मिलेगा. मीन्स अगर स्टार्टिंग में आपका वाटर लेवल इतना है तो बाद में आपको वाटर का लेवल है कुछ कम हुआ मिलेगा. वाई? बिकॉज दैट फाइबर एब्जॉर्ब सम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. And after the spreading of the cloth, what you see is when you compare the level of water in the mug, which in which beaker level of water will be high? In the synthetic fiber. In which beaker where synthetic fibers are soaked. Why? Because synthetic fibers absorb less water as compared to the natural fiber. After the properties of synthetic fiber, next topic is plastics. All of you know what is plastic. Everyday life we use many articles that are made up of the plastic. What is plastic? Plastic is also a polymer like synthetic fiber. All plastic do not have same type of arrangement of units. In plastic we see two type of arrangements into the particles. One is the linear arrangement, like in the in figure A you see the linear arrangement between the particles of plastic, and in the second case you see the crisscross arrangement. This is the crisscross arrangement between the particle of the plastic. In some it is linear, whereas other it is cross linked. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and size, as you can see into the figure. See here in the figure, all these articles, there are some articles are shown here which are made by the plastic. So, as you can see, we can mold plastic into the any kind of shape because they are moldable. The fact that is that plastic is easily moldable, that is it can be shaped in any form. Moldable means we can change the shape into the any form, and after that we see that plastic can be recycled. All of you know we can recycle the plastic when we break any, for example, if let us take this here, if it break we can sell it again for the recycling, and we can mold that plastic, use that plastic of chair for forming other articles. We can reuse the plastics, means for the plastic bottles we can make other things by this plastic. Colored Plastic is available in different colors. Melted plastic can be melted, rolled into sheets and made into the wires. That is why it is find such a variety of uses. Plastic is used in every field, you know. Next, polythene is also a plastic. Student, polythene is also a plastic. Polythene means poly plus ethene. It is an also plastic, synthetic plastic, and it is used for commonly in forming of polythene bags. Students, basically plastic is available in two forms, means two type of plastic is present. One is the thermoplastic and second is the thermosetting plastic. Let's study about the properties of these two different kind of plastic. First is thermoplastic. Thermoplastic is a plastic which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as plastic. अब देखो जो प्लास्टिक होते हैं, एक टाइप का प्लास्टिक होता है that get deformed easily, means when we heat it, when we apply little bit of force in it, it will deform very easy, or especially on applying of heat it will get deformed and can be bent easily, and so we can change the shape of this kind of plastic. And example for the thermoplastic is polythene, PVC, and such kind of plastic is used in the manufacturing of toys, combs and various type of container. On the other hand, there are some plastic which when molded once cannot be softened on heating, means and that kind of plastic is known as the thermosetting plastic. Means ki if we mold it once, if we give the shape for the thermoplastic at one time, we can't change the shape of that plastic by heating. ये melt नहीं होगा. If we apply a lot of force on it, it will get break, but ये अपना जो shape है वो change नहीं करेंगे. Example for the thermosetting plastic are bakelite, melamine. Properties of bakelites is also given here, and melamine also. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switch, handle of various utensils, etc. As you can see, जो आपके जो switch बने होते हैं वो thermosetting plastic से बने होते हैं. अगर आप इनको excess heat मिलती है during the fire, it will never melt. It can burn, but it will never melt easily. And one more property for this is they are poor conductor of heat and electricity also. It is used for making electrical switch, handle of various utensils, like जो आपके किचन utensils होते हैं उनके handle भी thermosetting plastic से ही बने होते हैं. Next example for the thermosetting plastic is the melamine. It is a versatile material. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastic. So it is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware and the fabric which resist fire. In the figure, different, see these switches are there. As you can see here, all these are the examples. All these are the examples of the thermosetting plastic, and here example for thermoplastic are given, pictures are given. Students, in the next video we will study about the plastic as material of choice, why is plastic is used in so much fields and other remaining topics.